Hello everyone. Through this video we are going to discuss the concepts of the chapter of practical geometry. Students, you have already learned to draw triangles in class 7. We know that for drawing a triangle, 3 measurements were enough when we studied drawing triangles in class 7. Then a natural question arises, whether with 4 measurements would it be possible to draw a unique 4-sided closed figure. So this unique 4-sided closed figure implies the figure of a quadrilateral, of course. So while constructing a quadrilateral, any one of these 5 measurements would be required. So that is what I am going to explain now. While constructing a quadrilateral, any one of the following 5 measurements would be required. Means using any one of these 5 measurements we can draw any quadrilateral. So here goes the first measurement. That is what? When 4 sides and one diagonal are given. Then point number 2, when two diagonals and 3 sides are given. Measurements of these side lengths are given. Then after point number 3, what do we have here? When 2 adjacent sides, means the side that comes one after another, when 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given. Then point number 4, when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. And here comes the 5th point. The 5th special point is when other special properties are known. So here these are the 5 types of measurements. Using any one of these 5 measurements we can draw quadrilateral. So actually things will be more clear when we start solving the questions of exercise. So here goes the first question of exercise 4.1. We are going to start with exercise 4.1. So this is exercise 4.1. Question number 1. The question is what? Construct the following quadrilaterals. Construct the following quadrilaterals. So the first question under this is what? Quadrilateral ABCD. Quadrilateral ABCD with AB is equal to 4.5 cm. Then your BC is equal to 5.5 cm. Then CD is equal to 4 cm. Then after AD is equal to 6 cm. And then AC is equal to 7 cm. So here in this case we find that all the four sides and a diagonal is given. Let us draw a rough sketch of it. AB, let us draw AB first. I shall be using scale here in this way. First we are to draw AB. That is a side given here. Say this is AB. It is of measurement 4.5. So this is AB drawn. Then after what comes? BC. A rough sketch is always needed for getting an overall structure of the quadrilateral, which can be used further for drawing the proper quadrilateral using all the proper and exact accurate measurements given in the question. So here this is say BC. This is of measurement 5.5. This is of measurement 5.5 centimeter. Then after next we shall be getting CD. It should come as the measurement of CD we have here as 4 centimeter. So it will be smaller to AB. And then we are going to join this figure. We shall be joining this way. This is just a rough sketch we have drawn, and then a diagonal is needed. We shall be drawing it after naming these points, I mean vertices A, B, C, D. Then AB is of measurement 4.5 cm. 4.5 cm. Then after CD we have here as 4 cm. Then after AD we have as 6 cm. And then after AC we have to draw as the diagonal. And the diagonal is this one. Let us draw this diagonal. This is the diagonal. And it is of measurement 7 cm. 7 cm. So after this, for drawing the actual figure, we need to consider all the accurate measurements, and the original figure will be like this. We shall be drawing first. Say this is the scale I am taking. So using the scale, here in this scale I shall consider the gap of two bigger lines as 1 centimeter, like this one and this one as 1 centimeter, then again up to this one another centimeter, then again up to this one another centimeter. In that way I'm going to consider here. So first I'm going to draw AB. The length of AB should come as 4.5. So 4.5 for AB. This is the length. This is the first point, initial point I am taking. So up to here 1 centimeter, then 2 centimeter, then 3, then 4 centimeter, then 0.5 extra. So this is 4.5. So this is complete length of AB, 4.5 cm. So we remove the scale now. Let us write this as AB. It is having measurement 4.5 cm. Now what we shall do here? We shall draw an arc taking radius 5.5, means for this one taking radius 5.5, taking radius 5.5 cm and also taking B as the center. I think already you have gone through the concept of arc in lower classes. So how to draw an arc, you will come to know here once again. So taking B as the center and radius 5.5, we are going to draw an arc. So again I shall have to take help of scale. So I shall take the measurement here as 5.5. I shall have to consider the scale totally vertically like this. Yes. So from this I shall start considering. So this is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and this is 5.5. 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5.5. So I have to put a point here. So let us remove the scale and let us try to draw this arc. Then after, from the point A with radius 7 centimeter, we have to draw another arc here to cut the previous arc, because we need a diagonal here, that is AC, which we have got here in this case. So for drawing this diagonal, once again I have to consider the scale, and the scale I have to join in this way actually. Exactly at 7 centimeter I have to put a point on the arc. So let us check at which point it is 7 centimeter. Let us check here. 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So exactly at this point this is 7 centimeter. So we have to cut the arc in this way. Okay. So now we have to join these two parts. So we can join like this. This is joined here. Then after, once again I have to put the scale here to join this part also. Means B and this point of intersection should be joined. This way we have joined this part. So I got here, this should be written as 5.5 cm, 5.5 cm. Then after, taking A and C as the centers, 2 more arcs are to be drawn on the other side of AC. This is C here. On the other side of AC, again we have to draw 2 more arcs to find out one more point of intersection. And for that, let us first choose point A. From point A, we shall be drawing an arc of measurement 6 cm. So here in this case, once more I have to consider the scale. The scale will be moved in this way to the other side. A measurement of 6 units I have to consider, 6 centimeters. So here it is 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 6 centimeter I shall be getting. So I have to draw the arc here in this way. So this was the point of intersection. So from C, again let us erase this part for the time being. So from this point again I have to draw another arc, and that should be of measurement 4 cm. So how shall I calculate that? So another measurement I have to take here, that should be of 4 centimeter. The point where it is 4 centimeter, I shall be choosing that point only. So that point is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the point. So at this particular point we have to draw the arc, and then we can join by using scale here. So let us join it like this. One side we already got, and on the other side in this way we have to join this. This is the way we can join. So that is how we got the complete figure. So here it is. Ultimately, this is of length 7 cm, then this is of length 4 cm, then this is of length 6 cm. So we got here A, B, C and D. And this is the complete figure that we need to get. Then after here we have to draw further the steps of construction also. This was the rough sketch. It is needed for getting overall view of the figure, so that we can draw the things in a correct way in proper place. So after this, let us come to the steps of construction. Whatever we have done, we shall be writing stepwise next. So steps of construction. Steps of construction. The first step is what? Let us draw AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Point number 2 will be what? Let us draw an arc. Let us draw an arc taking radius 5.5 cm from point B. Then after, point number 3 is what? Let us draw another arc. Let us draw another arc from the point capital A with radius 7 centimeter to intersect the previous arc at the point capital C. So one triangle is formed actually from this part. Then after this, to get an extension up to rectangle, the next point we need to consider, that is point number 4. Let us now join BC and AC. Then point number 5, let us now draw an arc of radius 6 cm from the point the point capital A above AB. Coming to the next point, then we draw another arc of radius 4 cm from the point, or you can write taking C as the center, taking C as the center, to cut the arc, we have drawn in step 5. So the next step is what? Now let us join. Now we join AD and CD to cut the arc. Actually, here one more thing we need to write: cut the arc at D. We have drawn in step 5. So now we join AD and CD. Therefore, ABCD is the required quadrilateral. So that's all. This is how we have to do this construction. Then coming to question number 2. In question number 2, what is given? We are to construct quadrilateral JUMP, where JU is equal to 3.5 cm, then UM is equal to 4 cm, then after MP is equal to 5 cm, then after PJ is equal to 4.5 cm, then after PU comes as 6.5 cm. So coming to the solution part, given. So first we need to write what are the things given, and we need to draw the rough sketch also. So JU is given to be 3.5 cm, then UM is given to be 4 cm, then after MP is given to be 5 cm, then after PJ is given to be 4.5 cm, and it is very clear from the given things that PU is nothing but the diagonal. So it is of measurement 6.5 cm. So let us draw the rough sketch here. Say this is JU we had considered. Then say this is UM we have drawn. Then after say this is PM, and say this is PJ. Then we have to draw this diagonal here. JU should be of measurement 3.5 cm, then UM should be of measurement 4 cm, then PM is of measurement 5 cm, then PJ is of 4.5 cm, and then PU is of measurement 6.5 cm. So we have to draw the actual quadrilateral. So first of all, we shall be starting with the base, that is JU. JU is of measurement 3.5 cm. So here I am going to draw JU first. So here I'm placing the first point J. So it is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, then after 0.5 up to this point, this is 3.5 centimeter. So this is JU. JU. It is of measurement 3.5 cm. Now what we need to do, taking J as the center and radius 4.5, I'm going to draw PJ. PJ, I mean this side on this particular part. So here the measurement is given to be 4.5 cm. So let us draw that. So here I'm going to put this is 1 centimeter, then 2 centimeter, 3, then 4 centimeter, then this is 4.5. So this is the point 4.5 here. So I'm going to remove the scale and I'm going to draw an arc here. So after this, at the same time, taking U as the center and radius 6.5 centimeter, I'm going to draw an arc to cut this previous arc here. So the measurement should be 6.5 centimeter here. So let us check how can we draw. So let us draw another arc at this point. Let us check the length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this entire length is 6, but we need to get 6.5. So something more we have to place here, that is like this we have to put, then it will come as 6.5. So this point comes as 6.5. So we shall be drawing next the arc at this particular position. So next I have to draw this length completely so that I get the length of the diagonal here. So let us remove this one. Then again I have to draw to join this part. We join here to get the point P. So this is P here. The lengths are respectively 4.5 cm, 4.5 cm, and here the measurement is 6.5 cm. The same thing we have to repeat on the other part also. Here in this case we are getting the result to be 4 centimeter. So let us check. From this point we have to draw 4 centimeter. So here I shall carry this to this side. So 4 centimeter I have to draw here. So it is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. So at this point I have to mark to draw the arc. So I am drawing the arc here. So this is the arc drawn here. Then once more we have to draw the arc starting from the point P to this side, and it should be of measurement 5 cm as given in the question. So let us check at what point it will become 5 cm. So here I get 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. So at this point I can draw the arc. So the arc should be like this. So we can join these points now. Anywhere at this point it will be, anywhere on this arc, the result for this will be 5 centimeter only. So we can draw here. Let us join. This is the way I am joining. Then again here I have to join these 2 points. So joining I shall get this figure. This is of measurement 4 cm. So what do I get? This is 4 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter. So this gives us the complete figure for complete structure of the quadrilateral JUMP. So JUMP this point is M, this point is P. So we shall be writing the steps of construction now. Whatever we have done just now, that's what I'm going to write next. Steps of construction. So steps of construction is nothing but the description of the steps what we have taken for drawing this quadrilateral. Steps of construction. The first point is what? We draw JU is equal to 3.5 cm. Second point is taking J as the center and radius 4.5 centimeter. We draw an arc above JU. Then after point number 3, we draw another arc. We draw another arc of radius 6.5 cm, taking U as the center to cut the previous arc at point capital P. So after this, point number 4, again taking U as a center, we draw another arc of radius 4 centimeter above JU, and to cut this arc at capital M, we draw another arc. Of radius 5 centimeter, taking capital P as the center. Then after, we are almost coming to the conclusion of this steps of construction. So this is point number 5. We get, let us join MP and MU. This is the required quadrilateral JUMP. So that is how we have to do the construction of this kind of quadrilateral. So in this video we discussed about the steps of construction of first 2 questions of exercise 4.1. In my next video I am going to discuss the steps of construction of remaining 2 quadrilaterals of this exercise. Thank you.